Welcome to your unwind and let go yoga class. In this class, it will help you to de-stress, let go of your day, and get ready for a wonderful night's rest. So roll out your mat and let's get started. Let's start off with some deep breathing. Deep breathing allows the oxygen to travel in your body and nourish your organs, helps the mind to become quiet so you get clarity and calm, and it allows the body to relax. So place one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly. Maybe close your eyes or have a soft gaze on a point if that feels comfortable to you. Just taking a deep breath and allowing that breath to flow all the way to your belly. And as you breathe out, just feel your shoulders dropping. Another deep breath in. This time just letting things go, things that have disturbed you today. Allow it to float away like clouds on a sunny day. One more deep breath in. This time as you breathe out, just feel yourself becoming more present to here and now. Nowhere to be, nothing to do. And then gently open your eyes if your eyes are closed. Let's start off with a side stretch. So just taking one hand, placing it on the mat, stretch one hand, and then just coming over to one side. Just nice deep breath in here. And breathe out. Let's do one more. Breathe in and stretch up. As you breathe out, feel yourself coming down a little bit more. And then coming up slowly. Let's do the other side. Breathe in. Stretch up, and as you breathe out, come over to the side, feeling a lovely stretch on the side here. Breathe in, stretch up, and as you breathe out, feel yourself coming down a little bit more if that feels comfortable to you. And then come back up to the center. Then placing the 2 feet together. Now, whenever I ask you to stretch up, it's always stretching up, and you'll find the spine begins to arch here. So breathing in and you stretch up, this will be arching. So in order to protect your core and your back, push your tailbone down. It's going to protect your core and your back. So breathe in, stretch up, push your tailbone down. And as you breathe in, looking up, as you breathe out, just allow yourself to just relax, feeling a lovely curve in your back. Breathe in and look up. And as you breathe out, just feel the tension of your day just falling away. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, just relax, curve your spine. One more time, breathe in, look up. Breathe out, come down, curve your spine. Just be here for a few moments, a few deep breaths. Just feeling a lovely stretch on the back of your head, your neck, your back, relaxing your shoulders, Feeling a beautiful stretch here. Feeling a stretch on your inner thigh as well and your calf. Feeling a lovely stretch. Just take one more deep breath in here and breathe out. Now taking your legs as wide as you can. You might be able to take them wide as your mat, or you might be able to bring them in a bit more or a little bit more. Just go as wide as you can. So you're going to breathe in and stretch up, push your tailbone down, and you're just going to come down at the side. Now you can use your hands to try and stretch for the toes. You might touch your toes, or you might be here. Or you might be able to bring the hand behind you and you're opening up the shoulder and you're feeling a stretch on the side here as well. And so you're just taking a nice deep breath in here. And as you breathe out, just relax into it. Breathing in and coming down. One more time. Breathe in, stretch. Breathe out, relax into it. And then come up slowly. Let's do the other side. Let's breathe in, stretch up, push your tailbone down, and you're going to come to the side. Now remember, you can come over like this. You can have your hand on the knee like this, or if you want to open up the shoulder, stretch it a little. Take the hand behind you, place it on your back, and just look up. Just breathing deeply here, letting go of your day, breathing deeply, just relaxing into it. The mind's becoming relaxed, the body's becoming relaxed for a wonderful night's rest. Let's do one more deep breath in here. Remember, deep breathing allows you to nourish your organs, and that is why I created something that can really help you to breathe in a way that can just help you energize, relax the mind and body, and so much more. It's called the Calm Code, and the details for that is in the description. And let's come up one more time. Now, just come laying down on the mat and bring your knees into your chest. Just giving yourself a hug. Just breathing deeply here. Breathe. And then taking your hands behind your knees, your calves, your ankles, even your feet. This is called Happy Baby. Just moving from side to side, stretching your legs, maybe stretching your toes, coming back, hugging your knees into your chest. Now you can roll up or place your feet on the mat and come to the side. So I'm going to roll up, so just rolling up one more time, and then coming to seated. Closing your eyes if that feels comfortable, or having a soft gaze on a point. feeling the tension flowing away. Sometimes our days become rushed. Things don't go our way. We might feel stressed. Do you have those days? And they sometimes say that, you need to do this and you need to do that. There's so many to-do lists. There's no way you can relax and no way you can take time for yourself. But when you take time for yourself, you feel better, you look better, you have time. And that time starts with you, whether it's 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes of self-care. But that time starts with you and a decision that you make. So placing one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. And this is optional if you wish. To remind yourself that self-care is important. It's just tapping and saying, I am worth it. I am taking care of me. All is well. I am worth it. I am taking care of me. All is well. I am worth it. I am taking care of me. All is well. And just reminding yourself that if you take care of you, you're going to feel better. You're going to do well, feel well. And when you do that, you can take care of others. So gently open your eyes if your eyes are closed. Thank you so much for joining me in this class. If you enjoyed the practice, I look forward to practicing with you again, and until next time, namaste.